Hello grade 9 American System, this is Mrs. Nancy. Today I'm going to continue section 8.4 Polar Bonds and Molecules. Please open your books page 249. Number 29. Identify the bonds between atoms of each pair of elements as non-polar covalent, moderately polar covalent, very polar covalent, or ionic. So part A, between hydrogen and bromine. So the first step, you need to calculate the electronegativity difference between the two atoms, which is 2.8 minus 2.1 equal 0.7. So based on the electronegativity difference, determine the bond type, which is moderately polar covalent. Part B, potassium and chlorine. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms is 3 minus 0.8 equal 2.2, which is according to the table, the type of bond is ionic. Part C, carbon and oxygen. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms, 3.5 minus 2.5 equal 1. So the type of bond is moderately to very polar covalent. Part D, chlorine and fluorine. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms is 4 minus 3 equal 1. So the type of bond is moderately to very polar covalent. Part E, lithium and oxygen. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms, 3.5 minus 1 equal 2.5. So the type of bond is ionic. Part F, bromine and bromine. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms, 2.8 minus 2.8 equals 0. So the type of bond is nonpolar covalent. Number 30. Place the following covalent bonds in order from least to most polar. So we need to find the electronegativity difference between the two atoms. Part A, hydrogen and chlorine, 3 minus 2.1 equals 0.9. Part B, hydrogen and bromine. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms is 2.8 minus 2.1 equals 0.7. Part C, hydrogen and sulfur, 0.4. Part D, hydrogen and carbon is also 0.4. So the answer is that C and D are least polar and they are the same answer, then B and then A.